Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to pair Teradek Bolt 500. Power on both units, set them to the same channel, and watch for a steady link LED. Start by checking batteries and antenna seating so you avoid intermittent drops. Use a clear line of sight for initial pairing, and then test with camera output to confirm video feed. If you see artifacts, try switching channels or enabling priority link for stable transmission. Begin by scanning channels to locate the cleanest frequency for your Bolt 500 pair. Take note of nearby Wi-Fi and wireless mic activity, and choose a channel with the least overlap. After selecting a clear channel, lock it on both transmitter and receiver to prevent accidental changes during a shoot. Rescan if you move locations or add new wireless gear so your link stays strong and reliable throughout the session. If pairing fails, try a reboot of transmitter and receiver to reset radios and clear errors. Check battery levels and swap cells, or use external power if voltage sag causes dropouts. Inspect antennas for secure mounts and proper orientation, and maintain line of sight during tests. If problems persist, update firmware on both units, as manufacturers often fix connectivity bugs and enhance compatibility with new gear and environments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.